Hello everyone. In this video, we will walk through how to register a Binance account, deposit funds, and trade futures using your smartphone. I have organized everything into straightforward and easy to follow steps so that even absolute beginners can follow along without any issues. First, let's go over how to create your Binance account. Before we begin, please install the Binance app on your mobile device. Once the installation is complete, launch the Binance app. On the home screen, tap the Sign Up button to start the registration process. Choose whether you would like to sign up using your email address or your phone number. Check the box to agree to the terms of service. Then tap Continue to move forward to the next step. Binance will send a verification code to the email or phone number you provided. Type in the verification code you received. Next, you will be prompted to create a secure password for your account. Your password must include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers, and it should be at least 8 characters in length. After setting your password, you will be taken to the referral confirmation page. At this stage, make sure to select Yes. When you choose Yes, an input field for a referral code will appear. In that field, type the referral code SKY333. By entering this referral code, you can receive a 20% discount on trading fees along with additional rewards. Therefore, it is very important to input the code before completing your registration. Next, let's proceed with the KYC verification process. Binance requires identity verification for deposits, transactions, and withdrawals. First, select your nationality from the list displayed on the screen. Next, choose the type of identification document you will submit. You will see several document options available on the screen. For most users, using a passport is the easiest and most convenient choice. Once your document is ready, tap Take Pictures to continue. Align your passport within the frame and take a clear photo of the information page. After that, you will move on to the facial recognition verification step. Carefully follow the instructions shown on the screen. Once all steps are completed, your verification request will be submitted for review. The review process usually takes around 1 hour. After approval, your account status will be updated to verified. Next, we will set up Google Authenticator to enhance your account security. Go back to the main dashboard of the app. Tap the Binance logo located at the top left corner. Then tap the arrow icon in the upper right corner of the menu. Go to the Security section. From the list of options, select Authenticator app. Tap Enable to start the setup. Enter the verification code sent to your email or phone. You will now be taken to the Authenticator setup screen. Please make sure to copy the 16-digit setting key displayed on the screen. Next, install the Google Authenticator app on your device. After launching the application, tap the plus icon located at the bottom right corner. Choose Enter as setup key. For the code name, enter Binance. Enter the previously copied 16-digit code in the key entry box. Tap Add to finish the setup. A 6-digit verification code will now appear in the app. Copy this 6-digit code. Return to the Binance app. And tap Next. Enter the code into the Authenticator code field. Make sure the code is entered correctly in the field. After verification, the additional security setup will be successfully completed. To begin futures trading, you need to switch your account to Pro mode. Go back to the main home screen once again. Tap the Binance logo in the top left corner. If the Binance Pro option is displayed, tap it to activate Pro mode. Second, let's take a closer look at the deposit method using the peer-to-peer transaction method. Tap the assets icon positioned at the bottom right corner of your screen. The spot wallet is used for spot trading, deposits, and withdrawals. The futures wallet is specifically used for futures trading only. Choose Spot from the list of available menu options. Then tap the Add Funds button. On the next screen, you will see several deposit methods available. In this guide, we will continue using the peer-to-peer deposit method. Now tap the icon located at the upper right corner of the screen. Select the local currency that you plan to use for the payment. Next, pick the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. In most cases, USDT is the most widely used option. Tap the corresponding button to proceed to the next step. Enter the precise amount of cryptocurrency you would like to buy. Tap the button once more to continue. Now go to the page where you can choose a specific payment method. A list of sellers available for trading will be displayed on your screen. For security reasons, it is recommended to select sellers with high ratings and many completed transactions. Select one seller from the list, and tap the Buy button. Keep in mind that some sellers may request additional verification steps. Enter the exact amount you wish to purchase for this transaction. Before moving forward, carefully review all the seller's details. If everything looks correct, tap Place Order to continue. After placing your order, the seller's bank account information will be displayed. Before making the payment, open the chat window and carefully read through the seller's instructions. When sending the payment, double-check the account name and bank information. Now proceed with the transfer using your chosen payment method. Once the payment has been completed, tap Upload Payment Proof. Upload at least one clear screenshot or receipt as verification. After uploading the proof, tick the confirmation box at the bottom. Then tap Transferred and press Notify Seller to let the seller know the payment has been made. The USDT will shortly be released and automatically deposited into your spot wallet. Finally, I will guide you step by step on how to trade on Binance Futures. Before placing any futures trades, you must transfer funds from your spot wallet to your futures wallet. First, access your spot wallet. Within the spot wallet, tap the transfer button to begin the internal transfer process. Choose the transfer direction from spot wallet to USDM futures. Next, pick the asset you want to transfer. Then input the amount you wish to transfer. After a brief moment, the transferred funds will be reflected in your futures wallet. To access the futures trading interface, tap the Futures tab located at the bottom right corner. The Binance Futures trading interface will now be displayed. At the top left corner, tap the Trading Pair section to choose the asset you want to trade. For this example, I will choose the BTC USDT trading pair. Next, review the margin mode settings according to your trading strategy. In cross-margin mode, your total balance is shared across all open positions. In isolated margin mode, only the margin allocated to that position is used. For beginners, isolated mode is usually recommended because it helps control risk. Now adjust the leverage level for your trade. Binance supports leverage of up to 150x. While higher leverage may increase potential gains, it also significantly increases risk. If you are a beginner, it is highly advisable to use lower leverage. Next, determine the direction of your trade based on your market outlook. If you expect the price to rise, tap Buy to open a long position. If you expect the price to decline, tap Sell to open a short position. Here, you can view the available margin for your order. Below, choose the order type that suits your trading plan. You can select either a limit order or a market order. Enter the order price and the quantity you want to trade. If you anticipate a price increase, tap Buy Long to place your order. If you anticipate a price decrease, tap Sell Short to place your order. By selecting the Positions tab at the bottom, you can track the real-time status of your open positions. ROI indicates your current profit or loss percentage. Entry price shows the average entry price of your position. Mark price reflects the current reference market price. Liquidation price shows the price at which your position will be forcibly liquidated. To better manage risk, tap TPSL to set your take profit and stop loss levels. When you decide to exit the trade, tap the Close button. Decide whether to close your position at the current market price, or by placing a limit order at a specific price. Enter the closing price and the amount you want to close. Then tap Confirm. Once the confirmation is completed, your position will be fully closed. Today, for those who are beginners on Binance, we covered the full process of creating an account and trading futures in detail. Each step was presented in a clear and thorough way so that anyone can easily follow along without any confusion. If you encountered any problems or have further questions while watching, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you very much for watching all the way to the end.